Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can build a modern website like this one. So in this video we will be creating a website like this one. As you can see, it's a modern looking website. So you can create a website like this one. So you can completely make the changes that you want. You can change the information, you can change the images, you can completely change it as you want. So let's get started making this website. And in this video I will show you the buying process, that how you can get web hosting and web domain. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to visit the bluehost.com by the given link in the description to get some extra discount. So after visiting by the link, you have to click on get started, and here you will see the plans that you can choose for your website. So I can suggest you can go for the basic plan if you are going to run one website, but if you are going to run more than one website, you can choose a plus plan. And these plan I won't recommend, because these both plans will do all the work for you. So let's see. As you can see, in the basic plan you can run one website and will get 50 GB SSD storage, and in the plus plan you can run unlimited website with unlimited SSD storage. So if you're going to run more than one website, or you are running a high website, then you can choose a plus plan. But if you are going to run one website only, then you should choose basic one. So I'm going to choose basic plan. Click select. Here you can choose the domain name for your website. Now you can search for a name that is available or not, and make sure you have to go for .com first. If it isn't available, then you can choose other option as well. Or you, if you have already a domain name, you can use here. But if you want a new domain name, you can create it by here. Let's suppose I'm spamming it, and click next. And as you can see, it says our domain name is available. Now you can simply sign in with Google, or you can fill up these details like name, business name, country, your phone number, your email address. And after that, let's take a look on package. Now there are two options which you can choose. If you choose 36 month, you will get a better discount, but if you choose 12 month, you will get this price. So I'm going to check 12 month, and as you can see, I will be charged this price. So scroll down, and here are some package extras. So here you have to uncheck this one and this one. This will reduce your price. And for the privacy protection, it's up to you. You want to keep your information protected or not. But if you want to tear down some more price, you can simply uncheck this also, turn it off, and you will be charged less. So after that, you have to add some payment information right here. You can add your card information and billing information, and after putting all the details, you have to scroll down, check this one, and click on submit. After clicking submit, you will see a payment receipt like this one. You have to scroll up, and you will see create your account button. You have to click on create your account. After that, you will see option like this one. Here you will be have your domain name, and you can create a password which you can use for login, and create a strong password. And after that, click on create account, and during this you have to verify your email. And you have, as you can see, your account will be verified. Now if you visit Bluehost, you will see a pop-up like this one. Your account is ready to go. Now you can log in. So click on go to login, and you will see a page like this one. Here you can put your domain name and the password which you have created before. And after putting the information, you have to click on login, and here you will see a pop-up create your website. So you have to simply click on create your website. After that, you will see some options which you can choose, or you can simply skip. So I'm going to skip these steps. And here you can also choose a category for your website, or you can simply skip and choose a category later, but you can choose here as well. And here again, click on skip this step, click on skip. You will see a page like this one. How would you like to build your WordPress site? So here are basically two options. First one is choosing WordPress only, and second one is choosing with WordPress plus Bluehost website builder. So if you want to save your time, and then you can select this option, but I'm going to choose WordPress only because it will give us limitless customization. So click on this one, get started, and here you can simply name your site how to Wi-Fi, and you can add a tagline as well, or you can simply leave it blank. And here you can choose some plugins for your website, but I'm going to choose none, and click next, and it will take some time. So here is our WordPress admin panel where you can change the theme. So first of all, we are going to install a plugin which will help us to choose a pre-made theme. So now here search for Astra and hit enter, and here you will see the this plugin right here, starter templates. So you have to click on install now, and after that you have to click on active, and it will give us the option to choose the modern theme for our website. So now scroll down and click here, see library, or you can click also here somewhere to get started. Here you have to click here Elementor, or you can choose one of these, but this page builder is easy to use, so I'm recommending using Elementor. After that, you will see a number of templates which you can use for your website. So there are a lot of templates which are looking modern, as you can see. So let's choose one of these. We want to choose this template right here. It's a tech kind of template. So click on import complete site, and here you have to click any one of these, click next, and here you have to click on skip, and it will start importing this template to our website. So let's wait for the process to be finished. As you can see, it's saying the website imported successfully. Now you can visit the site by clicking on view site, and from here you can see that how your website gonna look like. So as you can see, it's our website. So now it's looking like this style. So it's looking very cool and modern. As you can see, there is an animation also. So now if you want to edit this site and want to add your information right here, you have to click on edit with Elementor, and it will load us the page builder where you can edit this site properly. Now you can start editing the template as you want. So let's suppose we want to change this text right here. You have to simply click on text, and after that from here you can change the text that you want. Let's suppose we want to add a text right here, or you add this text. Okay, you have to click right here. From here you can edit this text. Let's suppose make your own website. Okay, and from here you can also customize this section right here. You can change the text, you can add a link behind this button, and also you can change this image right here if you want, and you can also change the position, you can resize it. And if you want to change the background of this section, you have to click right here edit section, go to style, and from here you can pick a background, and this will edit this background for you. And if you scroll down, you can edit this section also. And let's suppose we want to add a new section right here. Let's add a section right here. Click on the plus icon, and from here you have to select your structure, and let's suppose we want this structure. Click here, and from here you have to click on the plus icon again, and let's add a contact form by here, drag it and drop it. Here you have to sign a form and it will be added, and click here again, and let's add something like icon or Google Maps. Let's add a Google Map and it will be added as well. Now you can change the height that you want, so let's keep it like this one. Okay, so now after editing this section, now let's suppose you want to add a new page right here. You can do this also. You have to go to, or let's suppose you want to change your logo. You have to go to site settings, and from here you can go to site identity, or if you want to change this section by the other way, you can do this also. You have to go to your website, and let's suppose visit site, and from here, and let's save the changes that we have made. Okay, now you are seeing the previous site, and we will refresh and you will see the changes. As you can see, the changes are here. Now let's add a new pages to our website. To do this, you have to go to dashboard, and or you can click on edit page as well, but I'm going to dashboard and I will show you the proper way. Now you have to go to appearance, and from here you have to go to customize, and it will load us a WordPress page editor where you can edit the page as you want. You can add a logo, you can add pages to your website, you can do all the stuff by clicking here. Now you have to go to header builder, and from here you have to go to site identity and logo, and here you have to change logo or simply remove logo. Now it's up to you. I'm going to change logo and I'm going to upload a new logo right here. Alright, I have uploaded a new logo, and here you can add all text, a logo, title, your caption and description. After that you have to click select, and here you can crop that you want, or you can simply click on skip cropping and it will be loaded as like this one. Now it's up to you. You can change the logo width that you want for your website. So let's make it like something. Okay, and you can display your title as well next to your icon, but I'm not going to show this. You can display your tagline as well, but I'm going to off it as well. And here you can put a site icon which will show next to your website name in the tab section. And now go back, and here you have to go to primary menu, and now let's add pages to our website. To do this, you have to go to menus and you have to go to primary menu, and from here you have to click on add items, and you can simply add a new page right here. Click let's add a blog page, hit add, and it will be added right here. Okay, now if you want to move it, you have to simply drag it and you can place it where you want, and after that you have to click on publish, and all of our settings will be saved and you can see the changes. Now let's visit the site again to see how it looks now. Now as you can see, here is our blog page, and now let's add a blog to our blog page to see how it looks. Before getting that, you have to go to settings and go to writing, sorry, reading, and here you have to change some settings. Here you have to set a post page for your website. I'm going to set a post page, the blog page, and your all posts will be redirected to your blog page. Click on save changes, and after that, if you want to add a new post, you have to click on the post and click on add new, and from here you can add a post to your WordPress website. Now you can add a title, you can add a description, or you can simply add it with Elementor, and you can make a post from there, but I'm going to post right here. Let's add a title test post, uh, title, okay, and from here you can type anything, okay, and sorry, uh, okay. Now if you want to add a image to your blog, you can do this by clicking here set featured image, and from here you can choose from media library, or you can upload your own files by here, but I'm going to choose one from media library. So let's choose one. Let's suppose we want to choose a image. Let's choose this one, and from here you can add this information as well. Click on set featured image, and here you can add permalinks, you can add categories, you can add tags, and after that you have to click on publish, and again publish, and your blog will be published. You have to click on view post to see how it looks. Now as you can see, here is our first blog. If you go to blog page, you will see our post is right here, and here is the default post which comes right here. Now let's go back to our home, and that's it. You can simply make the changes that you want, so you can completely customize the website. So if you have any question regarding this video, you can ask me in comment section. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.